Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can download and install the Credibly Business app. So let's get started. So to download and install the Credibly Business Bank app, you have to follow this easy install this easy step. So if you are an Apple user, then you can use your Apple Store, and if you are an Google user or Android user, you should use your Google Play Store or Google search bar. So here I will just go to my search bar and search for the app. So here we can see, so I will just click on here, and from here you can scroll down at the last, or you can see for the app. Okay, so here you can see the other thing. So from here you can see for the app, or you can select get started. So by here you can just download and install the app, and by this way you can do it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.